In this video, I'll show you how to add a before and after image slider in Elementor, completely for free. No Elementor Pro, no paid plugins. We'll use the free Xpro Elementor add-ons, and it takes just a few minutes. First things first, go to your WordPress dashboard, open Plugins, then click Add New. Search for Xpro Elementor add-ons. Install the plugin and activate it. After activation, open the Xpro plugin settings and make sure the before and after widget is enabled. Now open the page where you want the before and after slider. Inside Elementor, search for Before After in the Widgets panel. Drag the Before After image widget by Xpro onto your page. The slider is active instantly. Upload the before image, then upload the after image. Make sure both images have the same dimensions for the best result. You can now customize the slider. Change the direction. Set the default slider position. Enable hover or drag mode. Once you're done with the changes, click Save and view the updates on your live website. And that's how you add a before and after image slider in Elementor for free using Xpro Elementor add-ons. Simple, clean, and no premium plugin required. Let's try a few other layout changes and check the results. I'll also add the add-on link in the video description. That's all for today's tutorial. If this was helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching,